Hey guys, in this tutorial we will discuss about C# variables and data types. So how to declare a variable in C#? You can see that there is data type and then the variable. So that is in days, you can declare it like this, or in line, that is int days equals 7. So this is so simple. Now we need to know what are the valid and invalid declarations. So the valid declarations goes like that, like days, flag, and then data, and then at the rate, age, and then total underscore amount. So these are some valid declarations, and let us look for the invalid declarations. So if a variable starts with digits, then it is invalid, and you should not have a white space in between your variable. So these are invalid. We need to remember that C# is case sensitive, and it means if a variable starting with a small letter and the same thing starts with a capital letter, it refers to different variables. So you also should be concerned about some reasons, like you cannot use keywords as variable name, like if, for, or using. You cannot use like that. So now let's look at the data types. Mainly there are two data types in C#, that is value type and reference type. And in this video, for basics, we will discuss about value types. So I have made up a list, and in that list the first it comes boolean, that is true or false, you already know. Then sbyte, that stands for signed 8 bits size, and then short, that is for 16 bits. And in .NET or C sharp we declare it like system.int16, and int 32 is none other than integer, and then long, that is int 64, and there is byte, then unsigned short, then unsigned integer, then unsigned long, and then float. There are three more. Those are double, character, and decimal. So let's move to the Visual Studio, and I will show you a code that contains all of the types, and your concepts will be clear if you see the code and you practice it by your own. So let's move to Visual Studio. Here there is a program. Here I have done all of the types, and if you run that program and look through line by line, you will understand how it works and what is the types. So you can see there is unsigned, unsigned, everything, long, integer, and character. Then you can see variables like decimal, and then there are some basic operations that will make you understand more clearly. So let's run the program. Okay, so you can see that you all of the types are shown so nicely. So I hope you will see the full video, and you will write the code by your own. To make you understand better, I will provide you the code. Go through the code, there is comments, and I hope you will understand.